In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Bitcoin from blockchain.com wallet to Binance. First, open Binance and get your receiving address ready before you send anything. This is important because crypto transactions are usually irreversible, so you want to make sure the destination is correct before moving your Bitcoin. In Binance, go to the deposit section, then choose Deposit Crypto and select Bitcoin, also shown as BTC. Once you're on the Bitcoin deposit page, make sure the Bitcoin network is selected. This step matters because using the wrong network can cause delays or even loss of funds. After confirming that the Bitcoin network is selected, copy your Binance Bitcoin deposit address carefully. Now switch over to your blockchain.com wallet. Log into your wallet and go to the send option. From there, select Bitcoin as the asset you want to send. This is another point where it's worth slowing down for a second. Make sure you are sending BTC to a BTC deposit address and that the address you copied from Binance matches what you're about to paste. A good habit is to check the first few characters and the last few characters of the wallet address after pasting it, just to confirm nothing changed accidentally. Next, paste your Binance BTC deposit address into the recipient field in blockchain.com wallet. After that, choose your network fee level. The fee you select usually affects how quickly the transaction is processed on the blockchain. A higher fee may result in faster confirmation, while a lower fee may take longer. If you're not in a rush, you can choose a standard or lower fee option, but if speed matters, selecting a higher fee may be the better choice. Once everything looks correct, review the transaction details one more time. Pay close attention to the recipient address, the asset being sent, and the fee level you selected. When you're confident all the information is accurate, click Send Bitcoin to complete the transfer. After sending, keep in mind that the transfer may not appear in Binance instantly. Bitcoin transactions need blockchain confirmations before the funds are credited to your Binance account. In most cases, you can monitor the transaction status in your blockchain.com wallet and then check Binance for the deposit progress. That's it. By following these steps carefully, you can safely transfer Bitcoin from blockchain.com wallet to Binance while reducing the risk of common mistakes.